Hi guys, in today's news update we want to talk about erectile dysfunction and specifically about the dangers of erectile dysfunction. This is Arnold Brod at Healthy at 60 Plus, and if you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just text or call me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. Now according to a study, men with erectile dysfunction are more likely to be diagnosed with an irregular heartbeat. Now, from multiple studies, it's well known that erectile dysfunction symptoms appear 2 to 3 years before we see any cardiovascular disease. And this is really an important thing to remember. Erectile dysfunction can be an indicator of future or even present cardiovascular issues. A couple of slides ago, we talked about irregular heartbeat, and irregular heartbeat is called atrial fibrillation, or you've seen on commercials, AFib. It's an irregular or quivering heartbeat, and the issue is that it can lead to blood clots, stroke, and heart failure. And this condition affects up to a little over 6 million people in the United States alone. Now, the study we're talking about included a little over 1,700 older men, and this group did not have a history of AFib. As the study progressed, after 4 years, 9.6% of the men who reported having ED were diagnosed with AFib. And even adjusting for various risk factors like diabetes or weight or lack of exercise or cardiovascular issues, men with ED were 66% more likely to be diagnosed with AFib. So what does this mean for you? Well, it actually means two things. And the first thing is, if you have ED, if you have erectile dysfunction, see your doctor, not just for symptom relief with Viagra, Cialis, but specifically to check on your cardiovascular health. And the second thing is, treat your erectile dysfunction by repairing the underlying causes and not just with ED meds for symptom relief. Now, what I've done is I've left a link in the description and in the comment section below this video to a really good video on something called nitric oxide therapy, which is really the ED repair story. And it helps understand how to repair the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. If you have any questions about this video, the nitric oxide therapy video, or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. Again, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.